Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to create and share folder in Google Drive, and it will be an easy guide for you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So if you want to create and share folder, you just need to click over here, then click on new folder and give it a name. So I'm going to give a name that how to digital. This is my folder name. I will just click to the create. Once I click over here, then the folder will be created in here. Actually you can see it already been created in that place. So now if I want to make it shareable, I just need to be click on the three dot, and then I just need to be click on share. Once I click over here, then they will give us the options where I just need to be edit some things to make it a shareable folder for our client or our customers. So here we just need to be keep patience for the loading. So I will refresh it again. Sometimes it happens for the network issue, so one refresh can fix this one. Again, let's click to the share and this share one. Once I click over here, then the pop-up will become over here, and now you just need to be give a general access to the anyone with the link, and now you can fix the thing, like it could be viewer, commentator, or organizer, editor. So I will select as it editor, and then I'll copy the link and I'll just click to the done. Once you click to the done, now it already become an shareable folder for us. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.